結構作ってますね。何個できちゃうんだろう。いっぱいできちゃうんですよね。こっちにもあるので、こっちにもありますよ。見ました？こっち。あ、ここだ。建築中っすね。いいな、それだけで。それだけで十分。Hey, welcome back. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming to place. It's cool.
It's amazing how much you've gotten done already. This was like a wild field when I got here.
It really was, wasn't it?
Oh, look! Look at our frog friend. He's so pretty. He's got red legs. Look at him.
What?
He's got a frog already.
Oh yeah.
He's so cute. Hi. He's like, ah.
So the next one should be about here and should be buried, you know, think about this being straight. So dig the next hole there. Yeah. I need the hand shovel though.
Yeah.
Well, there's two of them, right?
Yeah,
There's your
yeah.
one.
No, I just wanted to make a mark.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just like here.
Okay, and I'm gonna like bring down the
Yep.
back of this one. I almost need like a hammer. Oh hey.
Hey, it's looking pretty good.
It's been a long time since you record anything. Huh?
Yeah, it has.
I missed it.
What are you gonna do with that stairs up? Oh, there's not gonna be a stair there.
Here?
Is that a stair?
This was what was here before.
Right. Oh, and above there,
That one, the rock.
or in the middle?
We'll have to think about what to do with this one.
Hmm.
We only started making the cement from down here because this was where the soil was
Right.
unstable.
Right.
So we could possibly use this method in the middle
Yeah,
as well.
it's a pretty good method.
And we won't have problems with it because this soil is a lot better. This
Ah,
one
okay.
was like where it was falling away.
Right.
So that's why we made this first.
Okay.
But I think this is going to be okay. We'll use this method maybe here
Cool.
and do another one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put a rock in there, like a big one, or
Yeah.
like two small ones?
I think we'll put like maybe a layer of the small ones and then place the big ones on top.
Okay. Well, it sounds like a plan.
Ready?
Yeah. And you're going with barefoot.
Yep.
How is it?
Stable.
Yeah, it looks very,
You want to jump on it?
Yep, it's fine.
looks very strong.
How does it look from down there? It wobbles a bit, eh?
The wall structure.
Yeah,
is
maybe I should put
definitely
more dirt
strong.
underneath.
Yeah, on the right one wobbles.
Okay, I'll lift them up and put some dirt, a thin layer down.
Yeah, that might be good, just to cushion it.
Yeah.
Well, okay.
I think it's
The
at
wall
the base
structure
it's strong.
Is strong, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just need
But
to
that's what's important.
Stick the roof tile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put some dirt under the roof tile so it's like nice and like flat.
Yeah. I mean, that's if you want to use the roof tiles, right? Is it better if you use it?
Yeah, definitely, man. It looks so cool, and
Okay.
it's shaped the bamboo form.
Okay, cool.
It's incredible.
Nice.
I think it's actually less likely to collapse if we use the roof tiles because of that shape.
Okay. Okay, right. Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Cool, nice. Sweet, well done.
But I can easily fill the bottom in a little better for sure.
With like some dirt. Yeah, especially the right one.
Let's do both.
Yeah.
You catch it?
Yeah.
Nice. I may
You're gonna
know,
put it around the bamboo, right?
Well,
what you...
just against this side because the rest of the bamboo or the rest of the stairs has at the base the cement structure that we made yesterday.
Ah, okay.
This is the additional stair that we made today,
Okay.
which was the kind of one that looked a bit dodgy where the bamboo was.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, like the soil below it is quite sandy.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
If we leave it without the cement being already in place, erosion's going to happen below.
Right.
The soil's really sandy.
So you gotta put it like
So we need
that,
to kind
right?
of think of
Like a dam, right?
something like this.
Yeah, I
to
think it's
stop soil going under.
okay.
And maybe the roof tile's going to be perfect for that.
Okay, you should try.
Yeah, let's have a look.
find a good stone for? You want to? Do you want to fill this hole or not anymore?
Yeah, we need to build a hole, yeah.
Okay. So I will look stones that fit it.
I think I've got enough stones that fit it up.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just trying to see if this is a good alternative
Okay.
to using the stones. But there's plenty of like good sized stones around, like these ones here by the saw.
Okay.
So really we just need to, the only things we have to left to do here is to like plug the gap with cement. Find the right stones, plug the gap with cement,
Yeah.
pour cement down the back,
Yeah.
then put more small gravel stones and then the soil, and then we're finished.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, come up. It's gonna be too tall. Yeah, it's not the right thing. It's fine. You can use them for something else.
Or maybe we can break it behind. But...
Get ready to take a picture of us. Yeah.
Oh, of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hello.
I don't trust this one. Try out.
Look at me. And you use the camera.
Nice. Yeah.
Wow, looks,
This is video, right?
yeah.
We're just standing there posing awkwardly. What do you think?
Wow, it's really nice. Looks really good, guys. Thank you so much. Awesome.
Go up it, videoing, I reckon.
You have to
I
try
think
it.
I'm gonna take off my shoes and do it. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. Wow, it's really firm.
Yeah.
I can really feel the dirt underneath my feet. Wow, that's really cool.
Oh, that's good. The bamboo part, maybe you don't want to stand directly on the bamboo.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, you can't have it too it has to be at least the size of your foot or something. But I was thinking more like stopping erosion. The first thing we had to do was do that cement kind of like path on a slope down there and then build it on top so that all the like soil doesn't fall away underneath.
It's a good job. Sorry, yeah.
Some of the bamboos we didn't really choose very good bamboo necessarily because like unfortunately some of them have a split. So it's better if you stand on the dirt, not the bamboo, because the bamboo's a bit weak.
Right.
We were kind of made a mistake by taking not the really strong
Right,
pieces
right,
of bamboo.
right. But it's too late anyways. If you wanted really strong bamboo, you had to cut
Get
it
the
fresh.
green one,
Yeah.
Yeah,
And there's nothing stopping somebody in the future replacing those bamboo
yeah,
with a better bamboo.
yeah,
The staircase will keep the same shape.
yeah. Okay, cool. That's really nice. Awesome. Now let's just grab a bunch of seeds from a bunch of places.
Yep.
Flower.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of us.
Oh. Thanks, Gabby. I'm really proud of you guys too.
Nice build.